Alright, so what I've got here is a STIHL chainsaw MS 290, same as the 390, pretty well for the recoil. When I pulled the recoil, as you saw here, it is not engaging at all. I'm going to show you how to fix this very quickly. Stay tuned. So first of all, I will use a T27 Torx on my impact here to remove these. Now, if you're a homeowner, you can actually just buy a T27 screwdriver, Torx T27. Okay, here's what's happened. The pawl is missing from the rotor here, and it's in the flywheel. So something happened here, and look at how dirty this is. I'll clean that out here. So basically, these have one pawl in the rope rotor here, and you can see where it used to be, right in this hole right there. The hole is all damaged on the rotor. And the pawl popped out. However, on these, because there's two spots for a pawl, if this one's damaged, you can put the new pawl right here instead of that one, because the rest of the rotor here is still good. Now you can see the old one is damaged. And I've got a new one here. And here's the part number, 1125 195 7200. I highly recommend that if you do this repair, that you buy your pawls from the STIHL dealer. They are much better than the Amazon ones. Now this is easy as pie to replace. Just grab yourself a good pair of needle nose pliers, and you want to remove this little wire thing. Now when you take it off, put it down in the same position you took it off, because it must go back in the exact same position. And now what I'll do is put the new pawl in the better hole here on the recoil. And then I will put this retainer here right back in. Just like this. If you have this upside down, what's going to happen when you pull the cord, the pawl will not come out. So what I'll do here is I'm going to go and clean out all the dirt from the recoil and from inside over here, and come back and reinstall the recoil. Now what I use to clean that is a blowgun at the end of my compressor line here. Okay, now it's cleaned up, I will reinstall the recoil and hopefully everything works as it should. Now what I'll do is start it on my low setting of my impact and go in with a hand screwdriver after. Put them fairly tight, don't overdo it because it is screwing into plastic. And let's test this out. Alright, that was a simple fix. Again, this is the pawl that goes there. The part number for it is in the video description. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. Have a great day.